Hi, this is Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for DE Magazine with News Roundup for the week of November 2nd. How would you, as a human being, make difficult moral decisions in your driving, such as choosing between killing 2 passengers on your car or 5 pedestrians you may not know? And how do you think other drivers might handle the situation? And perhaps more importantly, in the future when autonomous cars are on the road, how would they handle these situations? That's where MIT's Moral Machine can help. MIT researchers call the Moral Machine an online experiment. It's a browser-accessible site designed to be a platform for gathering human perspective on moral decisions made by AI, artificial intelligence. You can answer questions posed to you, or you can also design your own scenarios to pose questions to the others. It turns out to be more successful than its creators expected. By MIT's own account, it has collected 40 million decisions in 10 languages from millions of people in 233 countries and territories. Researchers published the first set of findings in a paper called The Moral Machine Experiment in Nature, International Journal of Science, in October 2018 issue. It includes charts and figures explaining the participants' choices in those difficult decisions. The Moral Machine is still running at moralmachine.mit.edu. Last week, Hexagon, a company that caters to engineering, manufacturing, and infrastructure sectors, acquired Bricsys, known for its BricsCAD software with DWG format support. The format is the de facto standard in construction documents, building documents, and engineering documents. It is also associated with another larger software giant, Autodesk. In that sense, Autodesk and the significantly smaller Bricsys are rivals, both with products and technologies that let you draw and write DWG files. Hexagon's acquisition could boost Bricsys' R&D efforts and sales, putting it in a much stronger position to compete with the larger company Autodesk. Bricsys uses Open Design Alliance, or ODA's technology to read and write DWG. ODA is a member-supported technology consortium that maintains and updates its DWG-capable software developer kit. For more on this, read contributing editor Randall Newton's report at DE247. That's digitalengineering247.com. Simulation software maker ANSYS launches a new incarnation of its App Store, an online hub where people can go and buy simulation apps. The catalog includes some free apps such as 7th Fast Plus More, Bolt Screw and Fastener Analysis app, or the Acoustic app for acoustic volume analysis using fluid and structural analysis. The prices for apps can go all the way up to $10,000. ANSYS is among the leading simulation software makers exploring the app-style simulation usage to attract design engineers and non-experts. Whereas a full-scale general-purpose simulation program requires significant time and dedication to learn and use, apps are designed in a step-by-step guided workflow, so people with limited simulation software expertise can use it to conduct structural, fluid, and mechanical analysis. The app-style simulation use is also championed by other software makers such as COMSOL, which includes application builder features in its multi-physics software. The Additive Manufacturing User Group Conference, known as AMUG Conference, is now open for registration for 2019. It's set for March 31st to April 4th next year in Chicago. The conference usually includes networking events, workshops, keynote talks, and an exhibit floor showcasing the latest products in additive manufacturing, or more generally called 3D printing. Although many of the leading 3D printing hardware and software makers are expected to attend, AMUG is organized by users for users, according to its policy statement. To register, go to amug.com. That's amug.com/registration. Discovery, with an E in the end, that's formerly the National Engineers Week Foundation, just announced the Introduce a Girl to Engineering Day, set for February 19, 2019. Discovery is dedicated to organizing and promoting STEM education. It also offers outreach grants. Introduce a Gold program is to create a growing movement to inspire Gold's future so they learn they have a place in engineering a better world, the organization says. To sign up to be part of this day, go to www.discovery, that's E in the N, .org. This has been DE News Roundup for engineering news and design-related news and product reviews and industry reports. Go to DE 24/7. That's digitalengineering247.com. I'm Kenneth Wong, signing off.